Isa ka ba sa mga gustong-gusto maka-experience ng art exhibit pero hindi pa carry ng budget pag Maynila? Well, what if I told you na meron naman tayo niyan dito sa Baliwag? Ano, game? Tara, turo ko sa'yo. Hello! So today, kasama ko yung brother ko. Since hindi siya gaano nakakagala around Baliwag, naisip ko na perfect opportunity na isama siya. Ang first stop namin from Bustos is Baliwag Bayan. Since biglang bumuhos yung ulan pagdating namin, pumasok muna kami sa simbahan para magpatila. We also took our time to pray and humingi ng protection kay God to keep us safe for this gala. After that, sumakay na ulit kami ng tricycle para naman pumunta na sa SM. Maraming tao ang nadatnan namin dahil na rin siguro Sunday and maulan nga sa labas. And here's us na hinahanap kung saang area yung exhibit. And ito na nga, we stumbled upon another event called Coffee and Friends Hangout. It had several booths offering different cafe-style drinks and food. The setup was really cozy. Amoy na amoy mo yung freshly brewed coffee across the area. Yung brother ko naman, nakita niya itong mga croissant and mga other pastries. Sobrang yummy ng itsura nila, bes. Pampapasabi ko na lang na price is just a number. So, ito naman yung booth na pinagbilan namin. Hindi ko nasasabihin kasi it would be a disgrace if ever ma-mispronounce ko man. Ina-offer nga rin pala nila kung gusto namin ipainit yung tinapay and of course, nag-yes naman yung brother ko. Ayan, happy na siya. Wow! Hanggang sarap-sarap niyan, guys. Hindi siya super tamis. Like, perfect lang talaga siya. Hindi ka mauumay. Super lambot lang din niya. Then, ayan. Finally, nandito na kami sa Art for Everyone. So, ayun nga. The exhibit here at SM Baliwag runs from July 19 to 31 and it features artworks from Bulakenyo artists. And grabe, sobrang wide na range ng art styles dito. May mga super modern pieces na very aesthetic, may mga traditional na kita mo talaga yung Filipino culture. And meron din yung mga artworks na sobrang personal. Yung tipong kahit hindi mo kilala yung artist, mararamdaman mo yung story nila through their art. Honestly, na-remind ako how SM malls have always been doing these little exhibits. Like, even nung bata pa ako, lagi ako nakakakita ng random culture displays o art exhibits whenever we go to this mall. And it's nice na hanggang ngayon, they're still supporting local artists and giving them space para ma-appreciate sila ng mas maraming tao. Ang pinaka na-enjoy ko talaga is how diverse everything was. You get to see different techniques, tulad ng may sobrang linis at detailed na akala pa nga namin ng brother ko is picture lang siya na pinrint. May mga loose and expressive strokes din. May mixed media na super creative. Yung tipong hindi mo iisipin na pwede palang gamiting medium to make art. And yung iba super colorful, yung iba minimalist, pero may mga dating pa rin talaga. It's like every corner may bago kang madidiscover. Natatawa pa nga ako brother ko kasi parang kada liko namin, may nakikita kami bago na parang hindi namin ito nakita nung unang dumaan kami dito Ayun, it's honestly nakakatawa kasi minsan iniisip natin na kailangan lumawas ng Maynila or pumunta sa big museums para lang maka-experience ng ganito. Pero the truth is, andito lang para sa atin, which is dinadala rin ng SM Mall sa atin na super accessible lang. It all takes a little detour or lakad-lakad and boom! We get to experience this kind of creativity up close. May didiscover mo rin na meron pala tayong mga super talented na local artist na Bulakenyo, proud Bulakenyo. Ang dami palang talented artist nga naman. And for me, ito yung essence ng biyaheng walang arte. Chill trip lang, no expectations, pero you end up discovering something meaningful. Sobrang sulit, no? Right now, I'm showing you pieces na nakupuko talaga ng pansin namin habang naglalakad-lakad kami dito sa exhibit. And then, ito naman yung piece na sobrang natuwa ako. Actually, hindi ko siya masyado napansin until my brother pointed it out na gawa pala siya sa bubog. And then, as we look closely, gawa siya sa bubog ng red horse. 'Di ba ang creative lang, ang ganda pa ng pagkaka-portrait ni kay Wang Od. Ito rin, I like this one kasi ang aesthetic ng dating niya. Yung tipong makikita mo sa Pinterest feed mo. And then, these two paintings naman are also one of my favorites. At first look pa nga, akala ko, iisang painter lang siya or artist. And then, nakita namin na mag-asawa pala siya. Ang cute lang kasi very close yung art style nilang dalawa. And then, perfect pair talaga yung naging painting nila. Aside from paintings, there are also sculptures na scattered all over the place. This one, binidyohan ko siya kasi tuwan-tuwa ako sa formation or pose niya. And then, dito naman sa big screen, pinifeature nila yung mga local artists na from Frog Bulakenyo talent nga naman talaga and their profiles. And that's basically all of it. Sobrang na-enjoy naman namin ng brother ko and sana i-check out nyo rin guys yung exhibit na to. Thank you!